Sendspark supports dynamic personalization in LeadConnector. What you can do is take the video that you want to personalize automatically in your emails in Sendspark. Of course, you can use Sendspark to record this video, or you can upload one you already have. And then you just want to go to the edit page, and here is where you can add the dynamic personalization. So you can do things like hi, first name. You can also select from these other options. And when you select these options in Sendspark, whether they're on the video page or somewhere else in Sendspark, and then send the video in LeadConnector, then we're going to be able to match the merge tags so that you'll be bringing your LeadConnector data in here. So all you're going to be doing is setting this up in Sendspark. And you can do other things to edit your video too, right? Like add a call to action below your video. To like schedule a demo, do more. And then when you're ready, you just click share. There's one spot here where you also might want to add dynamic personalization, which is this thumbnail. This is like the most important place because it's what people see in email. And the more personalized you can make this, the more likely they are to click and watch your video. So I would definitely recommend using a personalization token here as well. And just when you have this set up, you can choose one of these LeadConnector options. The main difference between them is that LeadConnector is going in your email templates that you're going to be using for sales sequences or one-off emails. And for this, all you do is click on this snippet, and then you can just paste it into your email template in LeadConnector. And then whenever you use that template, it's going to automatically pull in the contact data. So you'll probably be using this in more of your day-to-day communication versus this LeadConnector marketing snippet is actually an HTML snippet that you're going to be pasting in the HTML body of an email. So it's really for like, your marketing newsletters, product announcements, really any of those like email, like marketing style emails where you can add an HTML snippet and edit the body of your email. So use both of these in the right spots. Let us know if there's anything we can do to help or clarify here. And just by, shooting us a message in the chat button on our website. All right. Happy recording and happy connecting.